Hi everyone, this is Sonam Toronto. So how to clean the clogged drain filter? Actually, my washing machine is not doing well lately. The clothes don't dry at all, built up laundry detergent. The water doesn't drain fully from the machine. This is all because of the drain filter clogged. It is time to clean the filter. Let's do it. It is very simple and easy, guys. Okay, let's open this. It's very simple. All you have to do is three screw you have to pull out. Yeah, the one at the corner, one in the middle, and one at the right corner right there. That three nuts you have to pull out. Filter always in front, so let's do that. And what I'll tell you what is the benefit of doing cleaning the filter. Less electricity consumed, less time for machine work, clothes are clean and dry. And one thing for clogged filter, in some cases washing machine may not spin properly or may be noisy too. Pull that flap out. There you go. You'll see the filter right in front there. That's the one. So we need the bowl because the water always there when you drain. It's not properly draining. So you need plier too. The plier is very important because filters caps and tongues are very big. So sometimes it's really hard to open. So at the same time, remember you need the bowl so the water drain. Otherwise it's gonna be everywhere. Water's gonna be splashed everywhere. So this is about it. Very easy. Now let's see what we have in the filter. The water is almost finished now. Okay, and then unscrew gently, turn gently outwards, and we have still a little more water left. Oh my god, it looks scary. That is disgusting. Oh my god, that is disgusting. A coin, ring, and kind of socks or some pieces of clothes or towel, or I don't know. There are a lot of things. Oh my god, coins, so many coins. So this is why the machine is hard time and it's not cleaning properly, not drying properly. Oh, remember this one, the hook one. That mark is down there with the arrow mark, and you have to put that way, same back, and then turn it clockwise in order to close it, and then use with plier. And now we're gonna put that flap back, which is same in a way how we pull out and we put it back. So we have three screw, and one at the middle, one at the side, and two side and in one center. It's so easy. So guys, don't pay for the guys for just to call the service $200 or $175. Thank you very much.